Welcome back to another video, guys. Out here still working on the land. We're setting up our new gate, waiting on some more gravel. We kind of got halfway through with the big stuff. We're going to bring a little bit of smaller stuff, put it on top, spread it out, get it squared so it looks like a decent driveway. I've tested it with the truck, trailer, and tractor, and it does great. Plenty of room to turn. So we just need this ground to really harden up. We're going to get the gate hung today. We're setting our cross support braces. Definitely want support since we're not using that concrete, and we'll kind of see how it works. But I'll kind of step out here and show you what we're working with. Alrighty, so we have the string all the way across the top because I wanted to make sure everything was level, and I just went each side. I think I got everything leveled, and the gravel is going to go all the way up into here and square off. And just like that, we have the gate hung up, guys. We have to flip the sign around. We need a longer chain because of our gap. I wish this gap wasn't as prominent. Maybe we can get some longer lag bolts for the gate on that end to kind of even the gap out. It is what it is. This is how it turned out. I think it turned out awesome. Now we are going to run bob wire coming straight down to that gate as well as the corner over there. So I'm gonna leave you right here. Next thing we're gonna do is we're waiting on the gravel truck. Should be here in the next hour. We're gonna run to the store, and then it's time to spread gravel. Alrighty, guys, so we have the gravel all spread out. Once again, I talked about it on the other camera there before we started. We had 15 tons delivered, and we just used the little blade. It did pretty good. It did really good. So the ground underneath this is still really soft, so we just have to be careful. I drove my truck on it, absolutely zero issues, but at least I can get my trailer, I get my truck in here. But we have the fence done. We have the rock done, so I'm gonna put a couple T-posts to kind of close off a side area here. And then we'll come back in, next month or something, and we'll get bob wire hung up. We'll get some stuff kind of leveled out. We'll let all this settle and kind of go from there. So hope everybody liked the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.